interesting camera angle here, but this is just that Borla muffler that I attempted my first weld on. There is no other piping after the muffler. It still has its cat 1985 2.8 liter V6. So it's carbureted. It's about 40 degrees out, so it's fairly cold. It hasn't been started in almost a week now, so give it a few tries here and then we'll let it idle. If anyone knows why it sputters so much and dies off when it's still very cold, I guess that might just be a carburetor thing. I'm not used to them, so I don't know. Probably needs a good clean out and clean up, rebuilt carburetor, but just kind of let it idle here. Once it gets going, it's fine, and it takes a good bit to get it going. Yeah, I just use this little hanger to keep it there, but it's pretty sturdy without it. All the motor mounts and stuff are original, so there's some good vibration there, if you can even hear me right now. But I'm just kind of working on this rust, and I'm probably gonna have to drop this tank pretty soon, so I wanted to start it up with the little muffler going here, and I'll rev it up a few times here in just a minute. Terribly messy garage at this moment. Don't know if you could see anything, but on getting a tripod so I can film in better angles.